everyone, and good afternoon. Well, I have this dehumidifier that I got out of my garage. Now it's in my room. The reason why I wanted to bring it in my room is because for just temporary, for permanent. It doesn't, I know it doesn't get humid in this room, and hey, why do I have a dehumidifier in my room, you may ask? Well, because I just want it in my room. And why did I bring it in the house? Well, because I was taking a shower, and I wanted to see if it actually works, to see if it pulls out the humidity. So far, it actually kind of did. There's not that much water in it, but there is right here. But there's actually water in there, so it does work. Vintage ones works better than these modern piece of crap ones. Alright, let's shut this Gold Star on ice cubes. So I guess we'll just give my temp gun. It's like, I don't know how many degrees in here it is. 62. It's 60 degrees in here. This is a little oversized for it being a 6000. The Kenmore or the Frigidaire will be probably my next unit, or the 6000 LG, or I'll make it a different unit. High cool. Actually blowing ice cold. Very good. Working very good. It's like 80 degrees out. There's no way it's gonna get to what? There's actually no way it's actually gonna get to 50 degrees. This room actually frosted out all summer. So this unit actually did really good. Here's the data sheet. GWHD 6507RY7, 6500 BTUs. Cooling power. So this actually is a good window EC. There's 6000. LG6 is currently running, but it's on DC. This one's the same way. Anyway, getting off track here, we'll get to the. Actually, shut this off so you can get the dehumidifier. Hold on. Okay, there's no water in the fan. I gotta reset it. So let's let that sit for maybe a minute or two. And I had this running a little bit earlier. Oh, here it is. It's a 30 pint model ADEL 30L RQ2. 30 pints, Danish manufacturer. Here's the serial AG00165 R410A. 520 psi, low, 320 psi, 60 hertz, single phase, 115 volts, of course. 1.4 EF, don't know what that means. 15 amps. Day manufacturer, January 2016. So this thing is around 4 years old. So yeah, start it up. What the heck? So here we go with the compressor. Pretty quiet. Pretty quiet startup. I don't think it. What's that noise? I don't know why it's even on. Is it going to catch up? Hold on. Is it just something in the fan? Or I feel like it's going to catch on fire? Let me look at the coils. No, we're fine. Hold on. Wait. Ew, it smells. Hold on. Let me take the filter out, because I could hear a tingling sound. Okay, let's see if I get the part. Just gotta unplug it. And then plug it back in. So I can definitely see something. I see something in there. I could actually see something in there. Yeah, that's just a coil. Wait. Wait a minute. I feel like the thing's gonna catch on fire. So I can see a spark. Oh, crap. Maybe I should unplug it. Yeah, let's see if the gold star runs now. It always rattles, just this plug. I don't know how long, but it just breaks. I'll let this run for a little bit. Alright, so that would be it. Bye bye.